So the dispute with SW Engines is over. Judging from the snow, finished our little temporary garage just in time. So here's the Camry. Here's the engine that SW Engines sent me, and down behind that on the floor, if you could see it, is the engine that came out of the Camry. There's a tranny. There's a new fender. So everything is out here in the temporary garage, which makes the wife happy. Because now the yard doesn't look like it belongs to a redneck with engines and pallets and shit in the driveway. Here comes the snow. We're supposed to be getting up to 8 inches. So I received a letter from my credit card company yesterday, and it said that everything's resolved. They are not sending me a new motor, and I've been issued a full credit for the one they did send me. So I'm stuck with a junk motor, sort of, because here's my plan. I'm going to take the engine that they sent me, which has a good block and bottom end, except for the crack in the block, but I think I can work around that. And I'm going to pull the head, which is good, off of the motor that came out of the Camry, and put it on the SW Engines motor. And we'll see if I can get it running. But that's going to be in the springtime, because as I showed you, everything is out in the temporary garage, which makes the wife happy, because now she can get her car in that side of the garage for the winter. Because heaven forbid if her car has to sit in the snow. And another update, the guitar that I ordered with the broken headstock is here. So pop this sucker open. I'm so glad it's bubble wrap and not freaking packing peanuts. Here's the headstock and a piece of the fretboard. Bust it off. I think I can fix that. I'm gonna give my best shot at it anyway. But plastic is still on the control covers. This is pretty much a brand new guitar. Looks like a flame top, but as you move it, there's absolutely no movement in that grain, so it's a photo flame. It's a fakey fake. So, let's see if we get that back on there. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Maybe sell it. I actually just bought it to repair the headstock, because I've never repaired a headstock. And I figured now's a good time to get that under my belt. So, I'm going to build my version of the neck surgery jig. And now I just added another project to the list. I'm really good at starting projects, not really good at finishing them. I actually have 2 hanging right here that I need to get to. Here's one. Don't remember this. There's cobwebs hanging from it. This is the What did I name this? The Instigator. Sort of a telly-ish shaped with a little modification to it. And it's still got to finish the iced tea burst ambrosia maple troublemaker. That's one of the two guitars I did for the Tonewood debates a few years ago. This thing's just been hanging around. I just gotta finish buffing it out and then assemble it. Finally got around to getting the new buffers for my buffer, and we got some new rouge, so I'm looking forward to trying that for the first time. And then we got this thing, the damn Deacon. I got too much shit to do. Oh yeah, and I still got that fabric top giveaway guitar over there to work on. Jesus Christ, I keep taking those. So, looks like I need to get to work. Jesus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 freaking 6 things to work on. Hell of a time to feel lazy. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care of yourself. Peace.